Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5 for sale. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. There we go. You have blind spot assist, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. And let's take a look at rear seats next. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Around to the back, you can see our Mazda CX-5 badging. Trunk. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's side here. Do have a push button ignition. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 32,874. Navigation here, not currently installed, but certainly could be. Radio here, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls, and our shifter. And if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.